This video demonstrates how to perform the pattern test on the PREVI color gram. In this video, you will learn what items are required to perform the pattern test. Watch step-by-step instructions on how to perform the pattern test and know what a correct pattern test looks like, and know what to do if the pattern test is incorrect. The pattern test should be performed once per day to ensure the nozzles are free of debris and spraying properly. To get started, to perform the pattern test, you will need several sheets of white paper towels and the maintenance kit that came with the instrument. To perform the pattern test, on the PREVI color gram touchscreen, select Maintenance. Select Pattern Test to begin. Remove the carousel from the instrument if not already removed. Hold a paper towel in front of nozzle A near the drive hub. On the touch screen, press the A' button. The instrument will spray a pattern onto the paper towel. Evaluating the results. Once the spray has stopped, inspect the pattern on the paper towel. A correct result will display a solid, round pattern. An incorrect result will appear incomplete or inconsistent. If the pattern is incorrect, clean the nozzle orifice using the nozzle brush provided in the maintenance kit. Repeat the pattern test. If the issue persists, refer to the Maintaining Nozzles section in the user manual for detailed cleaning instructions of the nozzle. You can also watch the nozzle cleaning video available on BMareU University. Perform the pattern test for each nozzle following the outlined steps, tracking, and documentation. For traceability, it is recommended to enable the Preventive Maintenance Tracking feature in the QC Maintenance Tracking menu to record the pattern test results. For additional details on the PREVI color gram instrument, refer to the PREVI color gram user manual. Thank you for watching.